Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous Tropical Luxe box from Simply Gilded. As always, since I do customer service for the box, I receive mine early, but if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipping confirmation soon, and if you're not subscribed, you can do so at simplygilded.com. Now, as I mentioned, the theme of the month is Tropical Luxe, and there is this gorgeous black matte background, and then the gold foiling all around, a beautiful little pink bow here in the front, and this gorgeous palm tree leaves on the side. And then the back, we have this beautiful pattern, and this gives me total Highland vibes. This looks like Hawaii with the little dolphins, little boats, palm trees everywhere, and this is basically tropical theme done in a very sophisticated and elegant way, which I think is very, very hard to do. Now let me show you what is included in the box. The only thing I won't be sharing is the mystery item because I don't like to ruin anybody's surprise. And so here's a little menu card, and it says that we are gonna get a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, B6 quilted Luxe notebook cover, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved gel ink pen, heart-shaped sticky notes, acetate and vellum sheets. Mystery item, again, will not be sharing. The first thing I want to share with you is the beautiful pen. I always say that I absolutely adore Irene's pens. They have so much weight. They are beautifully engraved. They write beautifully. It's 0.5 millimeter black gel ink. And this, for this month, the barrel is actually not black. It may look black on the camera, but it's this very deep green. Then we have this beautiful leaf right here in gold. And it's just stunning. It's a very, very elegant pen that will go perfectly with your setup if you would like to set up a planner just like I will. And then we have the journaling card, which is that same beautiful pattern, which is gold foiling with this Highland theme, the little dolphins, little birds in the air, the palm trees. And then it says right here a little teeny tiny paradise, which is absolutely is. And I always say you can use this for whatever you want, a card, a page marker, you can frame it. I'm going to use it as a dashboard because, that's what I like to do. Then the next thing I want to share with you are the stickers, and we're getting a lot of stickers. Now these stickers are available as a separate subscription, so you don't have to get the full box to get just the stickers. You can order the stickers for $10 plus shipping, and you will receive all the stickers in an adorable little folder and with a journaling card. Now the folder only comes if you purchase the subscription separately because it's meant to protect the stickers in transit. So let me share exactly what is included. Now first we're having a full kit, sticker kit, and this is 3 sheets, and it's made of with the unicorn paper, which is a very soft and buttery paper that takes to the print beautifully. And on this sheet we're having 2 weeks, full weeks of days of the week, 3 full boxes. Then we're having icons, heart checklist, little bows, some headers, and these are absolutely stunning. I just love this one with a little coconut. Then the second sheet has another set of days of the week, 5 more full boxes, and these boxes fit the Erin Condren style planners, and then deco stickers, and then some washi, some washi strips. Then we're getting a little extra sheet, and this extra sheet has 1 more full box, 4 half boxes, actually 5 half boxes, 3 of these headers, which are gold foiled, and little more deco. And how cute are those little glasses? Oh my god, they're adorable. I wish I had glasses like that. Now, still included in the stickers only, it's a sheet of these bows. They're gold foil bows. These are perfect for your gift giving. Perfect. I use them personally on my washi dashboards. I always like to have the perfect bow seal right in the middle of it, but you can use them in cards everywhere you want. And then we're getting 2 sheets of icons. So one is, the background is the beautiful paper, is like the beautiful, you know, kind of tropical vibe in pink background. And these are just little heart icons. And they have all sorts of icons, cars, you know, cleaning, driving, gym, etc. And the other one is, they're still heart icons, but these are days of the week plus more icons. So you can use them to put the dates on your planner if you are using an undated planner. Then we're getting 2 sheets of paper that you can use in your planner to set up a planner, or you can use them, you know, to make cards. One is a beautiful vellum, and look how gorgeous this green is. It's just a very, very deep green. It goes perfectly with the black. And then we have the gold foiled leaf here that come, branches that come off here on the side, just stunning. And then we have this beautiful acetate with little palm trees. It's gold on one side, silver on the other, and they're just beautiful. And then we are getting a B6 paper insert. This is the same green. I hope you can tell from the camera. Palm trees and engraved palm trees in the middle, and then the paper is something different this time. It's a dotted paper, and it's very nice feel to this. It's very heavyweight, so it's black, so you can use to write on this one of those jelly roll pens. They have white pens that go right on it, so it's something different, and I think it's super duper fun. I just love it. Now, what are you gonna put all these goodies in? You're gonna put in this gorgeous B6 traveling notebook cover. How stunning is this? Now, this is clearly, I mean, it reminds me immediately of the gorgeous Chanel quilting. It's beautiful. I love the scalloped edge, the heart closure, and it's made of vegan leather. And when you open it up, on one side we're having this nice big pocket, smaller pocket over here. You can put smaller things. You can put, I usually put a little washi card here. We have 4 elastics, so you can use at least 4 of the inserts. Then there is a pen loop right here, and then a little loop here where you can attach your favorite, you can put your keys there, or you can put your little charm, whatever you prefer. And this is stunning. So when I saw this, I have to say that I immediately thought I want to do a Chanel setup, which I've done before, and I always loved a Chanel setup. But then when I saw all the goodies that came in the box, I changed my mind. I actually think I want to use everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna do a tropical setup, because this kit is very elevated, sophisticated, and so it fits perfectly with this TN cover. And then we're getting also an extra accessory, which are these adorable, how cute are these? There's a little sticky notes. They're not vellum, they're paper, but you can write on the same, using the same paper, and they're very thick. They are super cute, black and white, just adorable. Now, if you're getting the full box, you're also getting your washi, and the washi will come in this beautiful bag. And how beautiful is that with the leaves? So I meant to find a way to reuse it, because I keep all my bags, actually. I have them all since you started using them. Now, the washi only is also available as a separate subscription, and it gets everything that I'll show you now, including the 5mm add-on, which is separate for the full box, and also a journaling card. Now, here is the washi. You're getting 7 rolls of washi tapes, and these are beautiful. So let's start with the bow washi that comes in a matching pattern. We're getting a 10mm and a 15mm. I'll show you the pattern on the 15mm. So we have a white background with the leaves going across and the gold bows. It's just so tropical, but just elegant at the same time, which, you know, as I've said, it's something that I always look for, because I'm not a huge fan of the traditional tropical colors. And then we're getting here this perforated headers, basically. So this is perforated washi, gold foiled, and it says remember shopping list. So you can use this as a washi if you want. You don't have to rip it up, or if you want to use it as a header in your inserts, you can do so. You got all sorts of things: meal plan to clean, laundry, shopping list, remember. So something for everything. Then we're getting another 10 millimeter, and this is that soft pink background with the little palm leaves, and it has little dots of gold foiling. I hope you can see it. Super pretty. And then we're getting another, here we go, a black background. I think this is an 8 millimeter or 7 millimeter. So the background is black, and then we have in gold foil palm trees alternating with bows. Super pretty. And then we're getting another 10 millimeter, and this one has the most adorable little watermelons. How cute are these watermelons? I love watermelons washi and stuff, but I can never kind of use it because I don't ever use a kind of color scheme, and this is just beautiful. So it's also foiled, very, very pretty. And the last washi, which may be my favorite, is a washi based on that gorgeous island background. So black background with the gold foiling of the islands. Then we see the little boats, and a little bit of a peek of the little oh my goodness, dolphins. I couldn't think of the word dolphin for a second. Oh my goodness. And then if you love the 5 millimeter size, you can buy this as an additional purchase from the full box. So this does not come in the full box, but it does come in the washi only. So this month, let me tear them apart. You're getting 4. So we're having 5 millimeter black background with the scattered stars and hearts. I hope you can come across. Then we have another 5 millimeter. This is the same pattern. I'm going to show you of this one so you can see it better, but it's in teeny tiny version. And then we're going to have this deep green background with the hearts. There we go. And then I love the style when Irene does the style of washi. It's like basically half is the gold foiled, and the other half is the pink background with the leaves, the palm tree leaves, and it's just too pretty. So this is it, guys. This is everything that is included in the box. So if you would like to subscribe, actually the mystery item is not shown, sorry. But if you would like to subscribe, please do so at simplygilded.com. And if you have any questions, here all the messy washi putting it all together. But if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a DM. If you have customer service questions, please send me an email at simplygildedbox@gmail.com. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday weekend. Bye-bye.